We're gonna do a couple things. I'm gonna show you the wheels and tires, then I'm gonna talk about them, then I'm gonna give you a rolling shot so you can see them going down the road. All right, so let me show you this. All right, guys, it is a beautiful day today. I'm here at Discount Tire. That is my truck, my 2022 Chevrolet Silverado with the Duramax diesel, LTZ. The 20s are nice, but I'd like to have something that fills in that wheel well a little bit more. All right, so it just went dead. My camera just went dead. The reason why I went with big Discount Tire is because on my Gladiator, I have 22s, but they're on 35-inch tires. Man, those things are extremely heavy. So with the new wheels and tires on my truck there, which I'm not going to show you what I got yet, but with the new wheels and tires on that truck there, I wanted to make sure that I can get them rotated like every 5,000 miles. So I found the wheels and tires on another website because Discount Tire did not have these on their website. So I called the guys at Discount Tire. They said they have the wheels and they said they have the tires, that they can get them in stock. So they ordered them. 2 days later, they're in stock and I'm about to get them installed on my truck. Let's look at the truck one last time before it gets the new wheels and tires. And by the way, I just got the new, I got the windows tinted on it. Hopefully you guys like that. Check that out with the windows tinted. It's pretty good being blacked out with the windows tinted, right? I'm not going to show you what it looks like until they get mounted on the truck. We're going to go inside here at the tire dealership and sit here for a minute, and then the next video you'll see is my reaction when I see the truck. All right, guys, they just got finished. Now, I'm not going to show it to you yet because I got tires in the back, so I'm going to get home, I'm going to take the tires out of it, then I'm going to show it to you. All right, thank you, man, I appreciate it. You're very welcome. Thank you. I'm not showing it to him yet, I'm going to wait till I get home to show it to him. All right, guys, so it's a couple days after the wheels have been done. I want to show you what it looks like now. I'm so excited. I was excited that day, and I'm still excited about these wheels and tires on this truck. I think it looks really good. We're going to do a couple things. I'm going to show you the wheels and tires. Then I'm going to talk about them, about what I think about them. And then I'm not going to give you a full review. That's coming later on. And then I'm going to give you a rolling shot so you can see them going down the road. All right, so let me show you this. So yes, I went with 26-inch wheels and tires. Now you might not think that I went with 26-inch wheels and tires because the thing about the Silverado, to me, the Silverado's wheel wells are so large on this thing. It's so large that they really look like 22s. It doesn't look like overly, I mean, it doesn't look like they're really big or anything like that. They look like that's the right size for this truck. So now I went with 305 30 26s. And the reason why I did that instead of 295s, I wanted to make sure that I had the maximum amount of tire that I could get for a 26. And not only did I need the maximum amount of tire, I also needed a proper load rating. My tires were 114 load rating, I'm pretty sure 114, and I wanted something to be 114 load rating or better. Just so happened these are 116 load rating, and I did not lose the load rating on the tire. Now you might ask also, how does the 26s ride over the stock? Seriously, I was surprised. I thought it was going to hurt my ride tremendously. I can tell, yeah, it's so close. It's so close to stock that I really can't tell the difference. It's just that close. I mean, I can tell a slight difference. Slight difference. Okay, let's just say 95%. It rides 95% like stock. Let's just say there's a 5% difference. And you have to be really in tune to your vehicle to even notice the difference. How about the braking and stopping power? Haven't noticed a change in it. Most people want to know. With 26-inch wheels and tires, did I have to run spacers? No spacers. No spacers at all on this truck. And I can turn from lock to lock, both sides. No rub, no scrub, no trimming, no cutting, no lifting, nothing. All right, so let me give you the full view of it. There it is. You notice I already took the tag off the front. I got something that I'm gonna be putting on, and I'll show you that on the next video. There's the truck. Now, what do you guys think about the windows? The windows being tinted. I think they turned out really well. That looks good to me. This antenna, got one on order, getting that off of there. Got the tag in the truck for that. So the next scene you're gonna see is the truck rolling down the road.
Perfect. Perfect.
All right, guys, so that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I want to thank everybody for watching. Comment below, let me know what you think about the truck, if you like the wheels, if you think the 26s look nice on it, or you think the 26s was overkill, or you think I should have went bigger, 28, 30s or whatever. So let me know what you think about the truck. 26s, yes or no? Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys are subscribed to the channel. You see the shirt, FLHT. That is Harley Davidson Touring Motorcycles. For those who ride, they understand, they know what it is. If you ain't gliding, you ain't riding. That's my Harley Davidson Touring Motorcycle family. They understand. You see the gas, you see the clutch on the sleeves. So yeah, the channel's still about motorcycles, not about trucks. So for all my subscribers that's waiting on the motorcycle content, you'll have another one out probably tomorrow with motorcycles. Guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is out. Again, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding. And as always, have a blessed day.